Two skiers have died after two separate avalanches in the Rockies Friday afternoon. At around 3:30 p.m., EMS say one person was declared dead after being evacuated by Parks Canada near the Lake Louise ski resort. Avalanche Canada says two skiers were making their way back from the Pipestone Bowl when one of them triggered an avalanche. That skier was buried, with the other skier digging out the trapped person and initiating first aid before being found by Parks Canada. At around 4 p.m., a second incident in Kananaskis. EMS saying a skier was injured in an avalanche north of the Black Prince Day use area along Highway 742. The person was declared dead after being retrieved by Alpine helicopters.